Imagine building a house. You need a blueprint and many different tools to get the job done. In technology, we call this collection of tools a tech stack. It's foundational for any digital creation. Think of our pancake stack. Each layer represents a different part of a software application. The top layer, the front end, is what users directly interact with, like the frosting on a cake. Beneath that, the backend handles the logic and data, like the batter holding the pancake together. And at the very bottom, the database stores all the information, acting as the plate that supports everything. Companies choose specific stacks to build everything from websites to complex applications efficiently. Selecting the right stack is like choosing the perfect recipe. It impacts performance and scalability greatly. A well-chosen stack ensures smooth operations, like gears in a finely tuned machine working in harmony. Understanding tech stacks helps demystify how the digital world is built, one layer at a time.